of Plenty. Bluegrass of Plenty is it's an event that is a collaborative event, and we're very pleased for the good folks at the Beacon Drive-In down in Spartanburg, South Carolina, who is a sponsor of Carolina Bluegrass Style, one of the performing bands. They've agreed to let us use their moniker. They've agreed to help sponsor some of these costs. And, of course, can't forget Forever Bluegrass and the wonderful Cindy Pinion. She has had a great... Speaking of which, here she is. And we're very excited that you guys are all here. We've got some wonderful bands. And I reckon I'll get out of the way and we'll bring Hill up. And, guys, if it sounds near as good as it did in warm-up, you guys are in for a treat. Shoot more people in. Center Hill Ramblers, everybody. On a great down bus, I'm going to people right down the road. I've been driving these highways, I've been things coming. It's just making me lonesome. Never cared what anybody, and it ain't for me. Thought she was a dream of a baby. She got a car that stole my love. She ain't a little lonesome.